Hello, I am Shashank from Office Solution. Today I am showcasing stack bar chart. Here we have two options, one for users and another one for developer. So for developer we have value field X, value field Y, value stacked field. Then we have tooltip. Let me drag state code. Then we have formatting options. We have general, we have numerical value formatter where we can set the formatting for our values. Then we have bar text alignment. Let's suppose none, top, bottom and center. Then we have axis labels. We can change it to so this is all we have for developer. Now for user we have the setting options. We can have a trend line, we can flip the axis, we can adjust the numerical axis, we can decide the top 10 values. Here we have 5 values, so and then suppose if you want to enable the other bars, then we have reference value. Then we have sorting, ascending and descending. That's it. Thank you.